Let's speak now to GP Dr Ellie Cannon. It's good to see you tonight. Dreadful
Hi.
news though, isn't it? And this shows this outbreak has got no sign of slowing down. In actual fact, it's getting worse.
It does seem to be, doesn't it? And now we have, Public Health Wales have confirmed that this man died with measles. We don't know that he died from measles, and it's important to sort of clarify that. They haven't actually confirmed that yet, but they do know that he was infected with measles. And you would expect in a developed country like the UK, after around 1,000 cases of measles, you will start to see people die. You would expect 1 in 1,000 people. So unfortunately, with the epidemic taking hold, this is expected.
And indeed, the health officials did warn us that there could be fatalities. I suppose a lot of people, though, think that measles is a disease or a virus that children get, not a 25-year-old man. Is that alarming?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, we do think of it as a children's virus, but actually we know that people who are going to get the complications of measles or indeed die from measles are children under 5 or adults. So actually it's not so surprising that the first death we've seen has been in a normal-aged man. And also, what we don't know is what his health was like otherwise. So, for example, he could have had ill health or some immune problem anyway.
We know that the area around Swansea and health officials there are doing their utmost to get everyone inoculated who would like to be. Is that enough? Will that bring this under control, do you think?
We know that will bring this under control, so anybody in the area who doesn't think they've had an MMR, they should be taking their children to have them done. If they're concerned, they're not sure if they've had the second one, because you do need 2 MMRs to be fully protected, then people should be taking up the offer of having that vaccination.
And could it spread? I mean, at the moment it's around the Swansea area. Could this go across the whole of Wales and indeed the UK?
Well, it could spread, and actually there's a smaller epidemic actually already happening in the northeast of England. So it certainly could spread unless we start to vaccinate all the children.
OK, Dr Ellie, great advice there. Thank you very much for talking to us tonight.